This film is part of a series featuring 10 student films from the University of Montana's Media Arts Department. Watch and enjoy.
My name is Lynn-Wood Fields, and the film Lost Birds was my thesis film. And it came into being because at first I just had this image of this woman that just kept coming to me night after night, night after night. And then I started doing some research, and this word lost birds kept coming to me too. And then I looked into it, and it's actually the name of the children that they call that were assimilated and taken from their parents from Native American communities. And after they came home, they were called the lost birds because they had lost all their culture. And so once I started putting those pieces together, it was visions first, and then the story came, and then I put them together. And then the other big reason that I made the film is that before I went to film school, I read a book called Perma Red by Debra Earling, who's a local Missoula writer and professor. And it's the reason I went to film school. I thought, as soon as I read it, I thought this needs to be a movie. And so Lost Birds takes place in Perma, Montana, and I shot it so that I could show it to Debra, and so she could see some of my kind of vision and talent, and hopefully she would give me the option for Perma Red, which she did. And so now I'm currently working on the feature film Perma Red. So this film, Lost Birds, was created through the University of Montana Media Arts, and I specifically chose that film school because for me, Montana, which I grew up in Whitefish, Montana, is just as strong as a character as any of the other characters in my film. And for me, landscape, the big open range, the way that women are kind of empowered as powerful people is the reason that I make the films that I do, and Montana is the place that I need to make those films.
Anybody here?
Aspen. Sorry, I thought you were someone else.
Hey, wait. My car ran out of gas.
Well, you gonna get in? What? Shit.
Are you okay?
Look for her everywhere. She's been gone for hours.
Is she your sister?
Wife. Just found out I'm gonna be a dad today.
Wow. That's a big one.
Yeah. I should have responded better.
Did you grow up around here?
This is Aspen's town.
Have you ever heard of a Mary Black Thunder?
Picture's like 40 years old. Listen, there ain't no gas stations open up this late. You can stay here till morning.
Okay.
Mary Black Thunder isn't a real name.
What do you mean?
It's like John or Jane Doe for Indians.
What is on my birth certificate?
That's what women around here put on forms they don't want to sign. If you want to find someone in this town, find Aspen. Her family knows everyone on the res.
Do you know her?
No, I don't.
I found this in my father's desk after he left us. My mom freaked out on me when she saw it and cut it up. But I saved it.
Do you know where she is?
Why?
Because she's my mother.
No. She was gone long before I was born. I think she left a few months after you were born. He never got over her. Or you.
I thought I would find her. I came here.
I've been gone all night. My husband's probably about to lose it. I better go.
Wait. Let me take you home.